Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class, and you all know children that today we are going to do our final revision, okay, for your EVS pre-midterm exam. So today I will be giving you combined revision of chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so as you all know that chapter number 1 is about myself. Okay, so you all know about me में आपको क्या क्या करना होता है. So there are very little questions, there will be very little questions based on this topic, okay, because here it is about yourself only, so we cannot give more questions regarding you, because everybody's information will be different. सबकी अलग अलग information है, तो इसलिए हम इस chapter में से objective questions नहीं दे सकते. तो we will start from chapter number 2. okay. So as you all know that first of all every day I give you 2 videos. Part 1 video will be explanation of all the 3 chapters 2, 3 and 4, and then part 2 video will be a combined revision exercise for all these 3 chapters. Okay, so please listen to this video very carefully, so that those who have missed my previous videos, you can understand every chapter from this video. Okay, so in very short I will be explaining you these 3 chapters. So for explanation of the chapters, you have to take out your environmental education book number 1 for class 1. okay, and your topic is chapter number 2, our body is wonderful. So before also I have explained you that what is a body? It is a living machine. हमारी body एक living machine है, and it is made up of different parts. हमारी body में different parts भी बने हुए हैं. As you can see in this picture, many different parts are there in our body. You all know, okay, hands, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, ठीक है, fingers, all these are your body parts. So from this diagram you can see that how many body parts are there in our body. Okay, now coming to the next part, how our body helps us. So as you all know, our hands, arms, okay, fingers are used for different kind of work. Our legs are used and feet are used for different kinds of work. Okay, so here we will learn that in these pictures you can see that these pictures show us how a boy is standing, how he is kicking, how he is walking, how he is jumping, running and skipping. So from these pictures we can see that for all these things, which body part we are using? We are using our legs and feet. Okay, and coming to the next part, in these pictures you can see eating, writing, holding, lifting, drawing, painting, throwing, carrying. All these pictures are showing us how our hands, arms and fingers are used. For what work we can use our arms, hands and fingers. Okay, when you eat something you use your hand, when you write something you use your hand, to hold, to paint, to draw. Okay, for all these activities you use your arms, hands and fingers. Is that clear? Now in the last of this topic you have learnt that we should always take care of our body, of our different parts of our body, to keep them in good condition. हमें हमेशा अपनी body parts का अच्छे से ध्यान रखना चाहिए, उनकी care करनी चाहिए, to keep them in good condition. Is that clear? Now in this topic, this is all for this topic. Now coming to the next topic children, which is our sense organ. Okay, so the next topic is chapter number 3, our sense organs. So what are sense organs? Previously we have studied about our body parts, okay, different body parts, and now here we are studying about our sense organs. So children, what are our sense organs? Sense organs, there are only 5 sense organs, you all know that, and those 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Okay, eyes helps you to see, nose helps you to smell, tongue helps you to taste, ears helps you to hear and skin helps you to feel. Clear to you all? So these are all our 5 sense organs through which we can see things, through which we can smell things, through which we can taste things, and hear what we are listening we can hear through our ears, and we can feel things from our skin with the help of our skin. Is that clear? Now coming to the first part, that is eyes. अब हमारे eyes का क्या use है? Our eyes helps us to see things around us, and we have 2 eyes. You all know that you have 2 eyes, and they help us to see. Okay. Now coming to the part of nose. So nose, we all know that we have only one nose, which helps us to smell things. Clear to you all? Then comes ears. Ears का क्या काम है? We have 2 ears. हमारे पास 2 कान हैं. And what is the use? They help us to hear sound. We can hear sounds. We can hear anything which we want to hear through our ears. Clear to you all? Then coming to tongue. So our tongue helps us to taste food, and we have one tongue. You all know that you have one tongue, and through that tongue you are able to taste things. If you are eating a spicy kind of food, okay, if you are eating a lot of spicy food, so how you will feel that you are eating spicy food? With the help of your tongue. Is that clear? Now coming to the next and the last sense organ, that is skin, which helps you to feel, and we all have our skin all over our body. You all know that our body is covered with skin, and with the help of that skin we can feel things. Like if you get hurt, अगर आपको चोट लग जाती है तो आपको कैसे पता चलता है आपको चोट लग गई? क्योंकि आपकी स्किन में लगती है. ओके. अगर आप कोई गर्म चीज़ पकड़ लो या छू लो तो आपके हाथ पे या कोई थोड़ा सा भी गर्म पानी अगर गिर जाए तो आप एकदम से डर जाते हो, आपको बहुत लगती है. क्यों? बिकॉज यू नो दैट योर स्किन इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग दैट आपको एक कोई गर्म चीज छुल गई है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो दीज आर आवर 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स, एंड दीज 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. दे आर आवर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज आवर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. अगर हमारा 5 सेंस ऑर्गन में से एक भी सेंस ऑर्गन काम नहीं करेगा, सो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. ओके. नाउ अगेन, we all should take care of our sense organs, and we should keep them in good condition. Is that clear? So that is all in this topic also. Now coming to the next topic, which is my family. Now children, continuously 3 days I have given you revision, and I have explained you in first part videos every day all the chapters. Now today is the last revision, so I am explaining you all the 3 chapters combined. So 2 chapters we have done. Now coming to the third chapter, that is 4th chapter, that is my family. Now you all know that in this chapter you have learnt about your family, types of families, okay, and how members of a family share the same surname. Okay. So in this topic we have learnt that we all live in a house with our family. We लिव विद आवर मदर एंड फादर. ओके. और जो हमारे मदर फादर हैं वो हमारे लिए पेरेंट्स हैं. जो हमारे सिबलिंग्स हैं, लाइक जो गर्ल्स हैं उनके अगर भाई हैं तो दे आर देयर ब्रदर्स. जो बॉयज़ हैं उनकी बहनें हैं तो दे आर देयर सिस्टर्स. ओके. और हम अपने पेरेंट्स के कौन हैं? चिल्ड्रन. ओके. एंड आवर पेरेंट्स टेक केयर ऑफ their children, and their children also take care of their parents. Okay. Now how many types of families are there? There are 2 types of family. One is small family and the other one is big family. Now small family is a kind of family where 3 to 4 members live together in a house. Okay. 3 से 4 members एक साथ जिस घर में रहते हैं, that family is known as a small family. Okay. Like mother, father, 2 children. Okay. So this is a small family. Coming to the topic of big family. What is a big family, children? Where grandparents, parents, okay, children, then uncle, aunt, and their children also live in the same house, and together this type of family is known as a big family. Clear to you all? So when all the family members live together in a family, then they take care of each other, okay, and they enjoy with each other, and during the special occasions like weddings, birthdays and festivals, they get together and celebrate these special occasions, okay. And coming to the last part, that is, all the members of a family share the same surname, एंड द सरनेम इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द लास्ट नेम. सो आप सबने देखा होगा, आप अपने घर में अगर कोई बच्चा है जो शर्मा यूज कर रहा है तो उसके घर में सब लोग शर्मा ही यूज करते हैं सरनेम. इज दैट क्लियर? सो योर फर्स्ट नेम विल बी डिफरेंट, बट all the family members will be having the same surname or the last name. Clear to you all, children? So that is all in this video. I have explained you all the 3 topics very nicely. Now switch on to my part 2 video, in which I will be giving you objective questions as your revision exercise.